Welcome to the PetroSkills PetroAcademy skill module covering drilling fluids and solids control at the core knowledge level. This module covers the following learning objectives: identify the functions of drilling fluids, explain fluid types and their selection criteria, identify fluid properties, how they are measured, and additives used to control them, and explain benefits of solids control equipment function, and system configuration. Drilling fluid is the lifeblood of the drilling operation. It is a critical component which makes possible the drilling of oil and gas wells. It serves many functions, however, the most crucial being to control subsurface pressures, provide wellbore stability, minimize formation damage, and transport cuttings and cavings to the surface. This module is broken up into 3 sections. In the first section, we will discuss the different functions of drilling fluids. In the second section, the different fluid types and selection criteria will be addressed, as well as fluid properties and the additives used to control them. In the third section will be a discussion on fluid processing and solids control.